In the future of libraries, the spaces that libraries provide are really critical to community building and community engagement and public outreach.
At MIT, the future of libraries has become where people meet to discuss ideas.
One of the things that was really exciting about working on Hayden was seeing the potential that it had. Here was a chance to reimagine what a library could be.
The design vision was really to create an intellectual watering hole, a place that people really could come together and a place that really inspired them.
We wanted to think about ways in which the library could intersect analog activities and analog forms of research with digital ones. So the Research Crossroads refers to these two primary programs and how they intersect.
It was really important to us as we entered into this renovation that we heard what the community wanted and needed.
The student community played an enormous role in our understanding of the future of this library.
One of the important design considerations was how do we celebrate what's great about the original building. And I think one of the things that was most important to people was the light and the views of the river.
There were many light layers, and the whole project became about some movable partitions, some movable surfaces like curtains, reflective, translucent, and transparent surfaces, and that led all the way to the courtyard.
The courtyard was something very special.
It's a great idea to have green spaces all around the campus, including near and at the libraries, where you can have views that open your mind and also express views that open other people's minds.
We wanted to create a balance between the trees and then have a kind of sinuous landscape that moved through it.
Hayden really brings the green space almost indoors.
Creating a space that was truly inclusive and accessible to all members of the MIT community was absolutely a core principle of this redesign. Everything from the acoustic baffling on the ceiling all the way down to the material used for the floors has been purposely chosen for the comfort of the community and for sustainability.
Hayden Library, it's a wonderful building that was designed to be sort of an innovative building of its time, and the ability to transform that into an innovative building of our time is really an exciting challenge for any architect.
We are so excited for the community to come and explore this space, to use it, and to actually find new ways that the libraries can support their research and teaching.